Manufacturers of rotary spray heads all have their own unique way of adjusting the arc and radius of the head's spray pattern. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to adjust the Hunter PGP model using their rotor tool. The procedure is similar for other Hunter rotor models like the I-Series and PGJ. On the top of the PGP, you'll notice a rubber cover with 3 access points for the Hunter rotor tool. The first is a raised circle with an arrow or triangle inside of it. This identifies where the nozzle is located in the turret, and the point of the arrow indicates the direction of the spray. The socket in the center provides access to the set screw that holds the nozzle in place. The metal hexagonal end of the tool is used to remove the nozzle, or to deflect the stream, allowing you to reduce the radius up to 25%. The next socket provides a way to lift the riser assembly up from the body. Insert the plastic end of the Hunter rotor tool inside the hole, then give it a quarter turn and pull. The third socket, that has the plus or minus icons next to it, allows you to adjust the left-hand stopping point for the rotor. Use the plastic end of the Hunter rotor tool to adjust the PGP's arc anywhere from 40 to 360 degrees. The first step in setting your rotor's arc is to make sure that the right-hand stopping point is where it needs to be. This is the fixed side of the arc and cannot be adjusted with a tool, so it needs to be set before adjusting the left stop. Be aware that you may need to remove some of the turf surrounding the head to get access. Turn the turret to the right until it stops. If the arrow falls short or passes the desired stopping point, then there are a couple of ways to make the correction. If the body hasn't been tightened down all the way, it may be possible to turn the entire head until you reach the desired right-hand stop. The better option is to unscrew the riser assembly from the body to make the adjustment. If any debris happens to get into the body after removing the assembly, be sure to flush it out before continuing. With the riser removed and the turret in the far right position, insert the assembly back into the body. With the arrow pointed in the desired direction, screw the riser assembly back into place. To adjust the left stop, turn the turret all the way to the left to see if you need to increase or decrease the arc, then turn back to the right stop. Insert the plastic end of the Hunter rotary tool into the adjustment hole until it seats, then turn the tool in the appropriate direction. If you need to increase the arc, turn the tool clockwise as indicated by the plus sign next to the hole. Turning the tool counterclockwise towards the minus sign will decrease the arc. Once you've completed your adjustment, turn on the zone and verify your work. You can now fine-tune your left-hand adjustment if needed. Rotary sprinkler heads and all your other irrigation and landscape supply needs can be found at your local Ewing Irrigation store. To find a location near you or to shop online, visit us at ewingirrigation.com.